Hi everybody, this is George again with the next short video about A-Dorian. Please support my channel by writing a little comment and giving me the thumbs up. In A-Dorian, A is the root and C is the third, which in this case is a minor third because of the half step between B and C. And E is the perfect fifth. So here we have an A minor triad, which makes Dorian a minor sound. Let me give you a little etude to check this out and get the sound into your ears. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.